Hey Lisa, this is Lee from Artist SEO. As promised, this is the free custom video that we created for you guys to show you how you can improve your online presence and attract more customers and book those jobs. I couldn't find a website for you guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at what your competitors are doing and then show you some tips and tricks of how you can do the same as them or even beat them if possible. So these electricians are what I found in Gauteng, which is the top guys on Google. And look at their website. It's nice and attractive, a nice call to action right at the top. But the first thing I want to go through is website content. So looking through their homepage, you'll see they've got quite a bit of content on here. So these guys are not doing too bad. They've probably got about 1,000 words of content on their homepage, and that's pretty good. Google recommends that you have at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage. So that the reason for this is because when they are trying to find your website, then they are trying to extract the necessary keywords from your website to put into the Google engine, and in order to do that they need quite a bit of content, right? And if you give them at least 1,500 words of content, then you make their job quite a bit easy as well to extract those keywords and rank your website. So if you do create a website, just remember homepage, at least 1,500 words of content. Next thing I want to go over is the Google search results. Now, when I type in electrical service in Gauteng, you'll see what comes up at the top here is the Google map listing. And this is a very nice position to be in, the top 3 positions. These shows the relevant companies in the area for artists typed in. And statistics actually show that 30% of all people will actually click on one of these 3 links. So a lot of potential traffic actually coming to these 3 links over here. How do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, you want to increase your number of citations. And all that a citation is really a combination of your company name, your physical address, and your contact number. If you can get these listed in various directories, you can think about Yellow Pages, Gumtree, and the like. When you get the number of listings up as high as possible, then you can get ranked onto these top 3 positions. I normally try to aim between 100 and 200 citations to guarantee myself a spot in these top 3 positions, so I can actually get all that traffic. And then the next thing I want to cover is your organic search results. And this is what Google sees as the most relevant for what is typed in. And also very important to be in these top 3 positions because once again statistics show that 29% of people will click on the first link, 15% on the second link, and 10% on the third link. Actually less than 9% of people will go past the first page in Google. So very important to be in these top 3 positions and get all that traffic. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? I'll show you that next. I use a tool called Ahrefs, and what this allows me to do is put in a website address like your competitor over here, and it spits out a bunch of numbers. And these are basically the numbers that Google will see and use to rank your website. The first thing I want to go over around your competitor is the UR, and that's the trust rating. Now, this is very surprising. These are the top guys in the Gauteng area for electricians, and they basically have no trust with Google. The DR is basically how strong your website is in Google eyes, and they're sitting at 1.5. So this is very, very surprising to me that these numbers are so low, and they're very, very beatable in essence. The backlinks and referring domains are basically what's going to determine your ranking on the Google organic search results. You want to get these numbers as high as possible while keeping good quality. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to make sure you've got good quality backlinks as well. Now, all that a backlink is really a link from another website to your website. It's basically a shout out from that website to yours. And like I said, the more you have of that, the better, while maintaining quality. Because these guys have quite a good website, they're going to be picked up for a lot of keywords. That's because I've got quite a lot of content on their website, which is good. They've got 632 keywords that are being picked up. I will show you an example of that in a second. And because they are a top competitor on Google, they're getting a lot of organic traffic. 476 people every single month is finding their website from Google. That's a lot of potential customers actually going to your competitor that you could actually be getting organically as well. Looking at some of these examples for these keywords, what we can see is an example of electrician Johannesburg. This is one of the keywords being picked up from a competitor's website. And you can see there's a massive amount of 600 people a month searching for this term in Google. And because it's your top competitor, they're getting about 1/3 of this traffic to their website. So a lot of competition, a lot of traffic here that you could be getting if you decided to create a website. And same kind of other examples, electrician Pretoria North, and also even in Creator Store as well. So a lot of potential areas here if you decided to work in these areas, and a lot of traffic you could be getting. Just to quickly summarize, if you do decide to create a website, make sure your homepage has at least 1,500 words of content so Google can find and rank you quite easily. If you want to be in the Google map listing, you want to increase your number of citations with the various directories, and then if you want to be in the top 3 positions of organic search results, see if you can increase the number of backlinks and referring domains while keeping the quality as high as possible. I really do hope you decide to implement a website and implement these tips and tricks so that you can get more customers. That would be really great. If you wouldn't mind just dropping me a line of feedback if you found this video useful or not. I'm trying to help out a bunch of companies in the area, and your feedback will be much appreciated. Thank you very much.